our friends from the media, organizers, and partners of the City of Manila in this very exciting event. The day has come. It all started with a call from the City of Manila and Creative Den for Manileñas of grace and substance to come out of their shells and explore the possibilities of becoming Manila's embodiment of empowerment and leadership. 60 of the best and the brightest took the challenge and left their comfort zones. After a rigorous process undertaken by our elite selection committee, we are now down to 24. We are very glad to announce to the public, to all Manileños, those who responded and made their stars shine the brightest. These 24 lovely Manileñas will compete for the most sought-after local pageant that would rival the national and regional searches. Not only will they vie for a crown, but they will also compete for the opportunity to represent and be an ambassador of the country's premier city. The epitome of a modern-day, captivating, exquisite female will come from these 24 who will be getting their sashes today. To the few who are chosen, be proud when you wear them, for they symbolize not only beauty, but also resilience, as you have already hurdled one major chapter, and are about to go through another test of endurance. This is your shining moment, and when you walk up to the stage, make sure you shine the brightest. Slay them with your beauty and charm, and make sure they would be rejuvenated by your grace and intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, the excitement is just about to begin as we hand over to our pageant board of judges the undefiable task of ascertaining the winners from among the 24 who, at first glance, already made me in awe. As they now sport their sash, I would also like to invite all of you on the 22nd of June at the Manila Metropolitan Theater for the pageant's coronation night, where we will crown the best from these 24 and be among the 2024 Miss Manila Queens. From this day forward, we will await for the woman who will be the representation of the magnificent Manila that we all desire and embody the ideals and aspiration of our premier and capital city. Again, my warmest congratulations to all of you. Magandang umaga, mabuhay.